Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 17th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have not so good news today because in today's news paper, the newspaper, we have no extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. No additional. Oh, no additional for today, but also for tomorrow, because tomorrow it's Thursday, and tomorrow it's Assassin's Day. Yeah, so no newspaper tomorrow. What I will do is I will look for an old additional with extra puzzles left. I will do this in the evening, but also for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. But first, these three regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's award day number 448. 448 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Yeah. All right. The first one I will do is the binary puzzle number 6447. 6447. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1s. All right. So let's get started. All right. We have a double O here one, there one. A double O here one, there one. A double O here, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1, between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. And now I need to think 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, the fifth O, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, there should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. All right. Still, we have here 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 there, the fifth O, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no, there should be a 1. All right. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Still 1, 2, 3, 4 O's and 4 1s. Well, need to wait. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, the fifth a 1, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Alright. 4 O's. If I place number 5 there or here, then we still have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so these 2 boxes should be a 1. Yeah. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, then double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in one. Double one. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. All right. Between two O's comes in one. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Need to wait. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So those two boxes should be a 1 then. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes an 1. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here one, there one. Finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In 7 minutes. Well. 7 minutes. We solve it again without comparing. Okay. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, a medium Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.